a day which was absolutely range bound and we saw narrow moves actually saw profit booking in the last hour of trade. Indices erased gains amid volatility, and this is ahead of the expiry tomorrow. You have Nifty, which ended below the 19,350 mark, as well as if you see in terms of Bank Nifty as well. That underperformed the benchmark indices in trade. In fact, Bank Nifty saw cuts of little over 600 points from the day's highest levels. It was the top losing sector as well in trade today. In terms of other sectors, you had Nifty Metal, which continues to be the top gaining sector for the second and the third consecutive session, and this is on the back of the commentary that we've been hearing from China, indicating in terms of the Bankix expiry. What BSE has come out and said is that that will be moved to Monday from a Friday, and this will be effective the 16th of October. So that was an interesting comment that we heard in terms of the F&O markets. Let's look at the top gainers. You had names like JFS, Tata Steel, auto names ahead of the auto sales numbers that will trickle in on Friday. You had Maruti, Eicher Motors, as well as M&M that were the top gainers. Whereas on the losing end, you had names from the OMC pack, which is BPCL, DRL, SBI, as well as a power grid that were down in trade. Looking at the newsmakers, NTPC for the approval that they've got for the Lara Super Thermal Power Project was in focus. Titagar Systems was in focus on the back of an order win. MTAR Technologies has got a defense license from the government. Shakti Pumps on the back of an order win jumped in trade. Ramkrishna Forgings was up in trade on the back of an order win. Gokuldas Exports, a second consecutive session of an up move, and this is on the back of the acquisition that they've made. Apart from that, India is likely to impose anti-dumping duty on toughened glass from China, on the back of which stocks like Asahi Glass, St. Gobain, Borosil were in focus, and a Fortis Healthcare, who's looking to buy a Meteor Hospital in Manesar, was in focus as well. Let's quickly look at a few of the large trades that happened in trade today. So you had names like Nykaa, Bharat Electronics, Tata Steel, IRFC, Jubilant Foodworks, Suzlon Energy, as well as Spandana Spurti. All of these saw some great momentum on the back of the large deals that happened in trade today. So overall, a lot of movers and shakers in trade today, but clearly they did see profit booking in the last hour of trade ahead of the expiry, which is slated tomorrow.